Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, an active Nordvpn plan, and the Disney Plus account you'll use. Once confirmed, install Nordvpn on the device you plan to stream from and log in. Make sure location services are off and your browser cache and cookies are cleared to avoid geodetection remnants. If using a smart TV, sideload or set up Nordvpn on your router now. These steps remove friction and let you move immediately into connecting to the right region. Next, pick the optimal server. Open Nordvpn and select a country where Disney Plus offers the catalog you want. Use NordVPN's streaming or dedicated servers when present because they're optimized to bypass blocks. Once connected, run a quick speed test, and if needed, switch to a geographically nearby server in that country to reduce latency. Make sure the VPN shows a secure connection if video buffering persists. Try a different protocol in settings to improve throughput and stability. With NordVPN active and the server chosen, open Disney Plus and sign in or refresh the app. You should see the selected region's catalog. If Disney Plus still detects your location, switch to another NordVPN server in the same country and clear your device's DNS cache, then retry. As a longer-term fix, configure NordVPN on your router or use split tunneling so only streaming traffic routes through the VPN. This gives consistent access and avoids intermittent blocks. Try that next if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.